All right, let me get this all set up. Hi, my Respite friends. How are you doing? I'm doing great, but if you guys just happened to watch mine and Miss Maddie's last video, we went for a walk because it's been so absolutely beautiful outside. And because we live in Buffalo, the weather has shifted. And today it is very, very rainy and cold and windy outside. So today I'm going to be doing some indoor activities. Something that I want to do today is maybe bake some brownies. So let's see what we got.
Hey guys, so I'm thinking for today for breakfast, I might want to make some chocolate chip pancakes. What do you think? Do you want to help me? All right, let's get started.
Let's get this brownie mix. I don't see it. I see stuff to make pancakes and 18 pounds of pasta, but I don't see my brownie mix. Where is it?
I've got all my ingredients. I've got pancake mix, got eggs, got some milk.
Guys, I don't even know what to make now. I thought I had a box of brownie mix, but here we are. So I'm gonna make some tea and think about it. What should I have? I have some French vanilla tea.
Some cinnamon, and last but not least,
One thing Miss Mariah knows how to make.
ooh, chocolate chips. I knew they were somewhere. So first in a bowl, I'm gonna measure out 2 cups of the baking mix.
Okay, guys, the way I'm seeing this is that as long as you have flour and sugar, some vanilla, maybe an egg or 2, I'm just gonna whip it up. I'm just gonna see what happens. This is a fun experiment now, okay? I'm gonna preheat my oven. It's at 375. Everything cooks at 375, so it's gotta be fun.
I have enough left because I make a lot of pancakes. I love pancakes. So there's 1 cup. Two cups.
I have a feeling Miss Maddie's gonna do a way better job than me at this. How old is this? Okay, never been opened. It's fine.
And I like to pack that down so you can see what I'm doing. I like to just pack it down, make a little hole.
Pour it into this here thing, this here measuring cup. We got 1 cup of flour. Should I put more? Sure. We'll do like 1.5. Sure. Cool.
So I can go and put the eggs in there. And then it's easier to mix.
All right, I also have baking powder. I think that that's supposed to make it good. Food science. I think that this makes it rise. Well, then what's baking soda for? I don't know.
So you take the eggs, got 1 egg here, crack it, drop it right in there.
I think it's like too much. I think usually when I have a recipe, you put like this real small amount in, right? I'm a professional cook.
Get another egg, crack it, and drop it.
What else do I need? I got some cinnamon, because I love cinnamon, so I figure put a dash, right? Dash of cinnamon. It'll probably be fine.
Okay, so there's your 2 eggs. Then next, you measure out 1 cup of milk.
I love tea.
So I'm gonna take my measuring cup again, measure out 1 cup, pour it right in.
All right, let me get, what else do I need here? Maybe some sugar? Make it sweet, make it delish, right? Do I need butter?
Then, for my secret ingredient, I like to put a little cinnamon in it. Makes it taste really good.
Make it real nice and sweet. Okay. Is that enough? That seems like too much. I don't know. Can't be too sweet, right? We love sweet things here.
So you just put some cinnamon in there. And then you have this big, messy bowl of ingredients. And you just go ahead and mix it.
Because that flour's she's a little chunky, so I'm gonna do one of these to get everything nice and incorporated. What's this gonna be? Is this gonna be a cookie? Or a cake? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what vessel to put this in right now. But hey, this is a really good time to say, you don't need a specific box to make it good.
Scrape the sides, get all the good stuff in there.
Okay, so I have these white chocolate chips. That's gotta be good. Anything with white chocolate chips is gonna be delicious. So let's just pour a bunch of them in, right? That's great.
Yeah, there you go.
All right, wet ingredients. Some eggs, right? People put eggs in these things. How many do you think? 2? Let's try. All right, we got our eggs in. Time for a little vanilla. Shoop.
So I usually take a fork and I just start mixing. And I mix it for a couple minutes until it's not chunky anymore.
All right, this is what we've got. I'm trying to mix it. Oh no, I can't mix it like this. Woo!
So now we're all ready to start pouring into the pan. This is the pan I picked because I like the smaller ones because then you can fill the whole inside and they'll all be one size. It's a lot easier.
All right, this actually looks pretty good. Does it smell good? I don't know.
Take my mix and I like to use a smaller measuring cup to scoop it out.
How does it look, guys? It looks pretty good. I don't know. I think I'm onto something. We will find out. Guys, look at this. That looks like a cookie to me. Like, that looks like cookie batter. I don't know. What do you think? I think it does. Cinnamon. So good. You can see the cinnamon.
Scoop about enough to fill your pan. And you have it like that.
Okay, I have a pan right here. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me see. I need parchment.
So now that I have it in the pan ready to go, you gotta wait for all the bubbles to come up. And when the bubbles start popping, then you can add your chocolate chips and flip it.
I'm getting warm, guys. I'm getting warm. Gotta re-put the hair up as to not get it into the cookies.
All right, let's add some chocolate chips now. Oops. And just add however you like. Now you only add it to one side. And then you save a couple for yourself. Those are delicious.
Okay, so I got the batter, and we're just gonna pop her on.
So this is exactly what you're looking for. If your pancake starts to flip up like this, and you see all these little bubbles popping all around, that's how you know it's getting ready to flip.
I don't know about you guys. This is way more fun than if I would have just used my boxed brownies. This is an adventure. A true stay-at-home adventure when the weather is not nice out. Oh, this one wasn't mixed enough. Oh boy. Ah boy. Ah boy.
So I flip my pancake, and there we go. perfect
I
pancake.
could probably use something to scrape it off, right? You guys can't even see it. Ah! Okay, like the professional baker that I am, I'm going to have the camera not even remotely on the cookies. How can I do this though? How can I show you everything? Maybe I can do... How's that?
Now, you don't have to put chocolate chips in if you don't like them. I just really like chocolate chip pancakes. You can also put in like blueberries, bananas. You can put in, you know, any kind of fruit that you like. It makes it really good.
This has no oil in it. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. We gonna find out.
Now, if you're really fancy, which I'm not, you could try this. Oh. I didn't think that would work.
So now I just gotta wait for the oven to completely preheat. Bada bing, bada boom cookies. We're gonna see how they turn
Try
out.
to flip them at home because this will happen. I'm not as cool as I think I am.
Okay, look at this. They've been sitting for a second. So we're gonna see if these are ready. I need a plate. I have a little small plate. Look at that. Okay, I got a cookie. Let's see how it is, shall we? It tastes healthy. Not bad. Not bad considering there was no recipe. I don't know. I'm into this.
And that's how you make pancakes. Easy peasy. Thanks for joining me. I had a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna go eat my pancakes.
So that's a wrap. We made some cookies, and yeah, I think the moral of the story is right now we don't have access to tons of things necessarily. Going to the store is a little bit fewer and farther between than we're used to. So today I wanted to make some brownies, didn't have my box of brownies, so I used what I had in my house and made it fun. So I hope you guys are all doing well and finding the fun things in your house to do, even during the rainy days when we can't go for walks. And yeah, I hope to see you guys all back next week with another video. Bye!
Well, first I'm gonna clean up my shirt and my counter because it's really dirty. Hey guys.